In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the Yangcsl LED light bulbs. I got these on Amazon for about $32 and the link is down in the description. And straight out of the box, we're greeted with a few things: the user manual, the two remotes on the right side, as well as the 6 LED light bulbs. So these are the light bulbs I normally have, and I'll be replacing them. And as you guys can see, I also have some LED strips, so stay tuned for those. I'll just remove the light bulbs I normally have and put on the LED light bulbs. They fit pretty snugly. So you need to remove this plastic piece out of the bottom of the remote for it to work. But once you do that, you can start changing the colors, the modes, the brightness levels, and all that good stuff. These lights come with a nice fading transition option, which is pretty nice for the colors to change automatically. You can also adjust the speed of how quickly the light colors change. And then obviously you can click the button to put it back to the normal light, just like so. And something I realized is if I use my LED strip remote to control my LED strips, it'll also control the LED bulbs. So unfortunately it interferes. You can see my strips are now ice blue, and if we take a look at the bulbs, one is bluish like the strips and the two others are yellowish. Pretty weird. So overall, I don't think these LED bulbs are horrible. They aren't smart bulbs, so you cannot control them with the Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and all that, but nonetheless, with 2 remotes and 6 light bulbs for $32, that's not too bad. I'd recommend using these light bulbs maybe outside rather than inside, because after turning them on inside the house, the vibe just wasn't right. The colors were too strong and the brightness was either too sharp or too low, which resulted in the room looking like an interrogation cell. So it's totally up to you, but if you're getting them to add some color to your room or inside your house, I'd recommend getting the LED strips down in the description. It adds some much more vibrance, color, and brightness to the room, and I don't know what's about LED strips, but in my personal opinion, they look so much better than LED bulbs. So I hope this video was somewhat insightful and you could learn more about these Yangcsl bulbs and LED strips. But anyways, that's Alex from Techrific, and see you Saturday.